Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from mgmclassiccars.com, and today I have this 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle. Beautiful car, nice stance, as you can see. I'm gonna walk around the car, show you guys the quality of the paint. It's not perfect, it's nice, it's a driver quality car, and then we'll get into the interior, the engine, the trunk underneath, the wheels, the tires, the brakes, this, that. Okay, so anyway, it's got a beautiful bright red paint on the car. The paint on a rating of a scale, okay, 1 through 10. 10 meaning, oh my God, it's a $25,000 paint job. That's not what this car is. This car is a 7 out of a 10 paint job, okay? It does have some blemishes in the paint, which I'm gonna go over with you guys and tell you what I'm gonna fix, what I'm not. Okay, so first and foremost, we're gonna walk around the car, show you guys the stance, which has a gorgeous stance, okay? And I'm going to show you guys the paint areas that need attention, okay? But again, it's a driver quality paint car. It's not a showpiece, but it's a very nice car. As you can see, the American Racing wheels, beautiful body lines. You got the BFGs, you have dual sport mirrors, you got the hood pins, nice chrome bumper in the front, nice chrome bumper in the back. All the bezels look good on the car. The trim around the wheels look good. Emblems, obviously it's badged as an SS. It's not a real SS. All of the door handles look good. Glass is all good on the car. All the trim is good. The verticals are nice. The weather stripping is in good condition. You don't need to redo that. All the tail lights in the back are good. Nothing's broken. Again, badged as an SS car. Emblems look good. Big dual exhaust, as you can see. It's got a 3-inch Flowmaster exhaust, but I'm going to get into that in a little bit here. As you can see, the hood does not align that well on the car. Okay, so what this would need is a new it would need a new hood hinge. Okay, and that would get that hood to sit down a little bit more flush, like you see on the driver's side. Okay. All right. Let's look at anything on the car that, as far as paint work. Again, it's a 7 out of a 10. It's not perfect, but it's nice. It has a nice shine to it. This quarter panel on this side is original, but from here down, it's been replaced with a half quarter all the way through. And they did a nice job lining this up and painted the car pretty nice. I mean, as you can see, the reflection and everything does line up pretty good on the car. It's not perfect, okay? Let's see, going through here, again, we talked about that hood on the car, which will need that hood hinge there, okay? Couple little blemishes that were touched up right over here. In the front here, it's got a little touch up there and a little touch up here. I'm going to repaint this eyebrow, okay, to match the rest of it because the car deserves it. So I'm definitely gonna take care of that, and I'm also gonna take care of this, okay? Those are the two areas that I'm gonna take care of on the car. Everything from that point forward looks good on the car. Let's get into the interior. SS door panels in very good condition. Okay, no rot underneath the door, as you can see. Door jambs look very good and crisp, nice. Door sill plates are nice. Inner jambs and outer jambs are nice on the car. This car has an SS steering wheel, sweep dash, tilt wheel, bench seat, seat belts intact, front and back. Nice package tray with your 6x9s. Tight headliner, dome light does function. Dash pad is good on the car. Radio functions, will need an antenna. And you got the triple gauge package there and your heater controls. Let's check out the passenger side now. Again, nice door lips, nice door panels with the SS, inner and outer jambs. Just as nice as the driver's side, okay? Interior is nice and clean. with clean carpets. Now, I want to fire up the car, and I want you guys to listen to the exhaust and to the engine. All right, let's do that. Odometer showing 30,911, but this has a new replacement motor. Hotchkis Rear suspension, 12-volt posi, 3-inch Flowmaster exhaust system. Sounds good, right? Engine is brand new. The guy that I got it from rebuilt everything. Newer alternator, newer battery. You got power brakes, power steering, upgraded with headers. 4-barrel car with the electric choke. Okay? No overheating issues. Okay, well, that was something. That sounds nice. Nothing but a big block under the hood, man, for that sound. So as far as what works, what doesn't, okay? Turn signals function, headlights function, brake lights work, wipers work, radio works, heat works, horn functions, speedo works, temp gauge works, oil pressure gauge, fuel gauge works as well. The car does not have a spare tire in the trunk, so you're going to need AAA. Just kidding. Anyway, those are all the things that we go over on the car. We also do, and we will, check all the fluids on the entire car before we deliver this to you. Okay. Nice 454 engine, man. A lot of power. The guy that I got the car from built the motor, and you can see that in the photos that it's on an engine stand. So those of you who want to finance the car and need to finance the car, if your credit score is between 639 and 739, you will need 10% down. Rates are like between 4 to 7%, no prepayment penalty. And if you want to fill out a credit application, if you have that score, go to mgmclassiccars.com. Okay, it's for qualified buyers, is the rates that I'm giving you for qualified buyers. If your credit score is 740 or higher, go directly to my website, or should I say my banker's website. Again, if your score is 740 or higher, go directly to my bank's website at lightstream.com. They'll approve you in 15 minutes. It's a no money down loan. You could put money down. Just put your desired loan amount in the numbers there, and you can get your payments based off how many months you want. But rates start at 2.49%, and they go up to like 4.5 for all those qualified buyers with a 740 or higher credit score. Okay, so for those of you who do not need financing and just want to do a bank wire and get the deal over with, you're going to call me and text me. Okay, you're going to text me or call me with your zip code. I prefer text. You're going to get a quicker response. You would text me, Tom, saw the video. I want to buy the car. Here's my zip code. How much for delivery, open carrier or enclosed carrier? I'll give you quotes for both. That's up to you. For those of you and all of you who are watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. How do you do that? Click the bottom button to the right. It says subscribe. Click it. That way you're going to see what I get coming tomorrow, and you'll get a notification. Okay. Those of you watching on Facebook, like it and share it. Guys, gals, these are great investments. Look what these 71 Chevelle big blocks were going for 5 years ago. And look what they're going for now. They're great, tangible investments. Enjoy some of your time on this planet. Enjoy yourself. Treat yourself. Buy something tangible that you can play with and have a good time with the family, and go to the car cruises and cruise nights and drive-ins. I mean, life is short. Enjoy it. Listen, I'm not here to try and convince you to buy this car. This car will sell itself, okay? All these cars here at MGM and these classic cars, they all just sell themselves. If you like the car, okay, then this is it, okay? I'm just explaining the car to you guys and girls, okay? That's it. It will sell. It will sell to anybody who it appeals to. So you got all that information, okay? I'm gonna leave my phone number at the end. Take advantage of my driveway delivery, okay? It's licensed, insured, and bonded right to your doorstep. My phone number is 847-848-1850. For those of you who do not text, it's fine. Call me, leave a message. Somebody will get back to you, okay? So anyway, again, Thomas, mgmclassiccars.com. This is my big block 71 Chevelle, now available. Talk soon.